Hello there, okay ka lang? Ayos lang? Now, in this video, you're gonna be seeing me trying to learn Tagalog numbers, yeah? And I'm gonna be doing it in a funny way, interesting way. I was speaking to many people, different people, all of them very kind, yeah? But I had a problem uploading the video, and some of the clips got damaged. Yeah, a big part of the clips got damaged. So if you don't see yourself, I'm sorry for that, and just gonna say thank you because I had a nice conversation with all of you. Okay, enjoy the video.
Hello, you from Italy? Hello?
¿Cómo está acá, brother?
Ayo,
Yeah.
wow. You know? You know language? Do you
I'm
know
lear-
Bisaya?
I'm learning. I'm learning Tagalog. Today I'm learning numbers.
Oh,
So I have
what
to
do
ask.
you know? What do you know?
I want to practice the numbers, but I'm gonna practice with you guys in a different way. Okay? I'm gonna ask
Okay.
you a question. You have to reply in Tagalog. So, what is walo times tatlo?
Malo times tatlo. Oh my gosh, bro. Actually, like, 8 times 3 is... The problem is, like, we live in Mindanao, where it's like different language. Yeah, we have a different dialect of Tagalog, which is Bisaya.
Yeah. So, how would you say 24 in Bisaya?
Bisaya is 24. Yeah,
You
24.
use 24.
It's similar to Spanish.
Oh, okay. That's similar. Okay, so okay, then I'll say it in, in Tagalog. That is dalawamput apat, right?
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Okay, so in
Oh,
Bisaya is 24, only 24.
24.
O 24. Do you have another word?
Yeah, what?
Do you have another word for 24 in Bisaya, or it's only like that?
No, I think we only use the Spanish version. Yeah, we
Okay,
only use Spanish.
good. So, but all the numbers are like that, or only this?
I think it's like that. Yeah, mostly because
But what?
since 33 years of Spanish colonization, so
Yeah.
yeah,
So
that's
if I
probably the
say, for
reason.
example, labing isa times pito, what are you gonna say in Bisaya?
Isa times 16 times 7. 16 times 7 is... Wait,
Labing isa,
hold
11.
on. 11 times ito. 77? Yeah. Yeah, 77, I think.
67. Okay, good.
Which part of Italy you're from?
Roma.
Rome.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's so wonderful. That's a very nice city.
I have to
So
visit one day Philippines. Maybe come to Mindanao as well.
yeah, you should.
Yeah. Oh, I'm trying to.
Don't believe
Don't
don't
believe.
believe them people that, like, it's bad in Mindanao. It's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Just people will criticize anything. Yeah.
Yeah. People are have a bad vision because, you know, different language and like different like island too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
That's
I
the issue.
will. I will visit. Maybe I'm trying to learn the language. I think after I progress in my Tagalog, then I'm gonna visit the Philippines for sure.
You can still, people here in Mindanao are very, very good at English.
Yes, this is. I noticed. The Philippines people to speak English a lot. Very good.
If you want to visit Mindanao, go visit Davao.
Davao. Yeah.
Yeah. Bukidnon and Cagayan de Oro.
Cagayan de Oro.
And Bukidnon, Davao. Siargao too.
Oh. Okay, good.
It's a lot.
Okay, thank you, brother. Thank you for the input over there. Okay,
Very
brother.
wonderful.
Nice to meet you. Nice talking to you guys. You're so kind. Okay, have a nice
You
one.
too. You too.
Have a nice
Have a
one.
nice one too.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
fine about you?
I like your shirt. What do you say? I know how to make you
Love.
laugh. Is which part of the Philippines? Where?
Palawan.
Palawan?
Yeah,
What do you speak? Cebuano, Tagalog?
Tagalog.
Tagalog? Tagalog.
Okay. Ako si Sarin. Ikaw?
Ikaw?
Ano? You can speak in Tagalog?
I'm learning Tagalog.
I'm learning Tagalog.
Hmm.
So, what's your name?
Ask me again.
What's your name?
Ask me in
Anong
Tagalog.
pangalan mo?
Anong pangalan mo?
Micaela.
Mikaela.
Ikaw.
Kaela.
Ako si Salim.
Ako si Salim.
Kinagagalak ko makilala ka.
Nagagalang ko makilala ka.
Hoy! Are you kidding me, bro? Are you native speaker of Filipino or Tagalog?
I'm learning.
Bro.
I'm learning.
Don't kidding me. Don't you ever gonna try?
No, okay,
No, okay, let me see.
ilang taong ka na?
Ilang taon ka na?
Hala! 19!
Talaga?
Talaga?
Oo.
Oh, okay. Now look. Today I'm learning numbers in
I'm
Tagalog.
learning numbers in Tagalog.
Ano?
I'm learning numbers in
I'm
Tagalog
learning
today.
numbers in Tagalog today.
Okay. What basic Tagalog did you know?
I know the basics. I know the just introduction, but
Just
today
introduction, but today
I'm learning numbers.
I'm learning numbers.
Okay?
Okay?
So
So
I'm gonna ask you
I'm gonna ask you
the question
Okay.
a question.
and you're gonna reply in Tagalog.
Replying in Tagalog.
I'm gonna reply in Tagalog. Go!
What is
What is
8 times 3?
8 times 3?
What?
8 times 3.
8 times 3.
I can't understand what you're saying.
8?
Let me see.
8? 8
Walo? Yeah.
times 3.
Walo.
Times 3.
Times 3.
8?
Times 3.
24.
No, in Tagalog. The answer in Tagalog.
The answer in Tagalog.
Oh my gosh. We also It's 24 but in Tagalog. Ilan nga ma? Like 24 sa Tagalog?
24.
Yun!
What?
24.
No, this is Spanish version.
Spanish version.
What?
This is Cebuano.
Cebuano.
Cebuano version. I want in Tagalog.
I want in Tagalog.
24.
24. Tagalog kasi pala ma.
24.
24. 24. Bakit parang tayo pa?
Sila. Kasi nga sa ano yan sa
I'm a native speaker but I don't know
You
how
don't
to say it in Tagalog. Like, I'm so shy right now.
Very good.
I just want to cover my face.
24 pala.
I'm gonna ask you another one.
Sila, di ba?
Ano?
Okay.
Okay.
Siam. Siam
Sa Espanyol lang tayo.
times 5.
Times 5.
45.
Mga ano, mga
Ano ang 45 sa Tagalog?
Parin.
45.
Okay, very good.
45.
Okay.
Okay.
Stop! Stop!
This is your
I'm feeling so
language.
shy right now.
No, okay. Wait.
Stop it.
Okay, wait.
Siam times Siam.
Siam times Siam.
9 times 9 is 81. 81? Mailan nga yung 81? I'm always asking to my mom. Like,
mat na po. Apat na po. Ay, 81.
81.
Ako 41.
Actually, I'm learning numbers right now.
81. This is great.
91 yun. Ano, 9 po, 3 po, 4 na po, ganon. Dagdagan mo lang yung number.
You jump nursery school.
Ano yun siya?
Hi!
Hi. Hello, how are you?
Tapos na.
Kamusta ka?
Okay lang po.
Okay lang po. Taga saan ka?
Hindi mo magtagalog?
Mag-aaral.
Konti.
Konti. Steady.
Konti lang.
Konti. Okay. Today, I'm learning numbers in Tagalog. Okay? So, I want 7 times 1.
7 times 1. 7.
No, in Tagalog.
Pito.
Pito times dalawa. No, tatlo.
Pito times dalawa. Tapos ito times mo sa 3. 21.
In Tagalog.
21.
In Tagalog.
Yeah, 21.
Tagalog.
21.
No, English. 21 in Tagalog.
Labing isa.
Okay.
Di ba?
Pito. Apat times apat.
Apat times apat. 16.
In Tagalog.
Labing-anim.
Anim.
6 times 6 equals 36. Ano?
Tagalog.
Tatlot 6. Hindi ko alam.
Okay. 8 times 8.
Labing tatlot 6.
8 times 8.
72.
Oh?
Ano ba? 8 times
8 times 8, no, 72. 64.
I don't know.
64 in Tagalog.
64?
64.
Labing-anim at apat.
Siya times tatlo.
Ano pa?
Siya times tatlo.
Ano? 27.
Oh, Tagalog.
27.
Can I use this video?
Sige, okay. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Maria then. I'm Sheena.
Okay, nice to meet you. Thank you. Have fun.
Thank you.
Bye.
You, what's your name?
Salim.
Ano pa?
Salim.
Salib.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Bye.
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 Pangalan mo?
Eunice. Ako si Salim. Kinagagal ako. Okay. Good.
Okay.
So good.
No. It's just basic. This is basic.
Yeah, it's basic, but it's hard to speak that.
Tagalog.
Ikinagagal ako kung makilala ka.
Okay. So, which city?
Tagasan ka?
Zambales, Luzon.
Speak Cebuano or Ilocano?
Buwano o Ilocano?
Ilocano.
What do you know the numbers in
You know
Tagalog?
the numbers in Tagalog?
What?
Do you know the numbers in
Do you know
Tagalog?
the numbers in Tagalog?
Numbers?
Yeah.
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 Okay, I am
isa.
practicing.
Okay, I am practicing.
I'm
Okay,
practicing
go.
numbers.
I'm practicing numbers.
But the way I want to
But
practice,
the way I want to practice,
I'm gonna ask you questions.
I'm gonna ask you questions
numbers, and you're gonna ask me.
numbers, and you're gonna ask me a question.
What question?
Okay.
Okay.
Pito
Pito
times tatlo.
times tatlo.
7 times 3?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the answer in
I
Tagalog.
should
But the answer in Tagalog.
Tagalog?
Yes.
21.
Yes.
21.
21.
Okay, now you ask me.
Okay, now you ask me another one.
Okay. 3?
Mhm.
Paano how can I say multiply?
You want in Tagalog? In
You want
Tagalog is na
In
beses
Tagalog
ang.
is na beses ang.
3 times like that?
Yeah, you say-
How
you can
can I
say-
Yeah, you
Tatlo.
say tatlo.
Na beses ang
Na
tatlo.
beses ang tatlo.
3? How? How can I say multiply in
The word for
Filipino?
The
multiply
word
in
for
Filipino
multiply in
is na beses
Filipino
ang.
is na beses ang.
What?
Na beses ang.
Na beses ang.
What's that? I don't know.
That is multiply in
Can I
That
Tagalog.
is multiply in Tagalog.
Can I say multiply na lang?
Yes, you can say
Tatlo,
times.
multiply.
Yes, you can
Yes,
say
you can say
times.
multiply, you can
Yeah,
times.
Yes, you can say multiply, you can
Tatlo.
times. Yeah.
Times 9. Ay, siyam. Siyam.
Okay.
Okay. Mm,
27.
27.
Yeah, you're so
Let's see.
nice.
Okay.
Let's see
Let's
another one.
Let's see another one.
8
Walo
times
times
11.
11.
11. 88.
Okay.
Am I right?
Put mo lang. Yes.
Yes. Oh.
Uh,
Okay. Siyam times 7.
Siyam times 7.
Siyam times 7.
I think this
I think is lang
52.
put dalawa.
No, 63.
No, 63.
Okay.
Okay.
Anim, sam,
Anim,
no,
no.
63.
63.
60.
Anim na put.
Anim na put.
Tatlo.
Anim, tatlo.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's nice.
Okay. Okay.
Let's see another one.
Let's see another one.
Okay. How did you learn that? I mean, how?
What? The language or
What's
the
the
numbers?
language of the numbers?
All of the language, Filipino language. Who taught you?
I learned it from the
Yes,
books,
I learned it from the books.
just a small part,
Just a small part.
and then I come
And
over
then
here
I come over here
to try to speak
to
with the native
try to
speakers.
speak with the native speakers.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
nice.
So I practice with the
I
natives.
practice with the
It's a good
natives.
chance.
I
It's a
thought
good
you're,
chance.
I thought you're just studying.
No.
You have a
No, no, no.
tutor.
Okay, languages. I love
Okay,
languages,
languages. I love languages.
and of course
And
I am
of course,
documenting
I
this
am documenting this
for like 6 months,
for
1
like
year
6 months, 1 year
to come to the
to
Philippines.
come to the
Documented?
Philippines.
Yes, I have
Yes,
a YouTube
I have
channel.
a YouTube channel.
No!
Okay, I'm gonna give you my YouTube channel.
Okay,
You're
I'm gonna
gonna
keep my
watch it.
YouTube channel. We're
I
gonna
can
watch
see
it.
my face there.
You,
Oh
you can see
my.
your face.
You can
You're
see
beautiful. So
You're
maganda.
beautiful. So maganda.
No.
Yeah, teach me.
Yeah,
I
teach me.
didn't know.
You don't want your face to be
You
seen?
don't want your face to be seen?
It's okay, but I should prepare myself like I have lipstick.
No, bro.
No problem.
Yeah.
Okay, this is my YouTube
Okay,
channel.
this
Teach
is
me
my
your
YouTube
language.
channel.
What is
Teach me your
yours?
language.
Today, I have to practice numbers in Tagalog. What is 8 times tatlo?
Tatlo it means 3.
Okay.
Tatlo.
Tatlo times 8?
Walo, 8.
Okay. So, tatlo times 8.
3 times 8.
Yes, but the answer in Tagalog.
16, 3, 6, 3 times 8, 16.
8 times 3.
24.
Okay, in Tagalog. The answer in Tagalog?
Ang Tagalog 24.
No, this is Spanish.
Spanish,
24.
24.
Okay,
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go for another one. Siyam times 8.
9 times 8.
Times 8.
9 times 8.
Apat times 12.
12. 4 4
48.
Okay, this is Spanish in Tagalog.
Yeah, 48 48.
48 in Tagalog, sa Tagalog.
48.
Yes, I know 48 is the Spanish version.
Oh, 48. Labing
Apat.
apat at labing 48.
48. Labing isa times 7.
Times 7. 77.
Okay.
Times 28.
Oh, this is big. Wait, I have to use a calculator. Wait, 6 times 28?
Yeah.
How do you say 100? Isang daan, 68. Okay.
168.
Isang daan, 68.
17.
Times 17.
7 times 17.
Okay, 7 times 17. Isang
Isang
daan,
at
labing
19. Labing siyam. Yes.
Yeah, thank you, brother. No problem. Hi.
Hello!
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. You're handsome.
Oh, you too, you're beautiful. So maganda.
Mas maganda ka ba? Mali ka mag-Tagalog.
Maganda. I'm learning Tagalog. Can you teach me?
What?
Can you teach me? Sige na.
I'm learning
Teach you
Tagalog.
Tagalog?
Yes.
Say, mahal kita.
Yes, mahal kita.
You know what is that?
Yeah, I love you. Times tatlo.
Pito times tatlo.
Yes.
7. 21.
No, in Tagalog. I want the answer in Tagalog.
Dili. Pito plus.
71.
You ask me.
Sige, iinom mo na.
Wait lang.
Ikaw ay ba?
8 times unom. Unom ba?
Hoy,
Anim! I really can't speak Tagalog.
Bisaya version.
I'm a Filipino but I can't speak Tagalog deep.
Okay.
I can speak more fluently English but not Tagalog. Yeah.
Okay, let's try now. Hello. Times. Labing dalawa. Times.
11 times what?
Apat.
24. Hindi. 42. 44.
In Tagalog.
In Tagalog.
Ay! 44. 44.
Hello. Kamusta ka?
Uy, kumusta ka daw?
Kamusta ka?
Wow.
Good.
Tagalog.
I'm learning Tagalog. Anong pangalan mo?
Okay lang kami. We're good.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Ako si Salim. Ikaw?
Ko si Tintin.
Tintin?
Ko si
What's your name? Sorry?
Me?
Yeah.
Grislin.
Christine.
Grislin.
Grislin.
Yeah.
Grisling. Grisling and Tintin.
Tintin.
Okay. Tintin. Look, okay, today I'm learning numbers in Tagalog, okay? Walo times lima.
Huh?
Walo times lima.
8 times 5?
Yes. But you have to say in Tagalog the answer.
40. Oh,
In Tagalog.
Tagalog.
40.
Gagal
No.
ka.
Paano? You don't know how to... Ano eh?
Apat.
Apat na po.
Apat na po?
Apat na po.
Wait, hold on. Walo times lima is 40. Apat na po. Okay, let's see. Let's go for another one. Pito times tatlo.
21.
Tagalog.
21.
Okay, wait. 9. Yes, right. Siyam times apat.
18.
36. Tatlo. Inya Tagalog gawin ti kasan? 36. 36.
36.
Tatlongput anim.
Okay. Labing isa times pito.
Oh no. Don't know what is labing isa.
Gaga. 11.
11.
Sorry.
Labing
What?
Okay, you're
labing
good.
labing isa times pito.
7. 27.
Yes, in Tagalog.
Pito.
Pitong.
Oh, pitong put pito. Which part of the Philippines?
Cagayan Valley.
Cagayan Valley. Is it north or south?
North.
North?
Luzon.
Yeah.
So you speak Cebuano, Bisaya?
No.
Ilocano.
Ilocano. Okay, good.
And
And then
you want to Ilocano?
are the numbers in Ilocano different?
What?
Numbers in Ilocano are different?
Maysa.
Maysa is 1.
Okay, 2.
Dua.
2 is 2. Dua. Okay. Dua. And 3 is
Italy.
3 is talo.
talo. 4
4 is upat.
upat. And 5 is
Lima.
lima. Okay, this is the same. What about 6?
Innum.
Indim.
Innum.
Inim or indim?
And the 7 is
Innum.
Inim.
Pito.
Pito. Okay. And 8 is
Walo.
walo. 9 is
Siyam.
and 10 is
Sangapulo.
Sangapolo.
Ah.
Okay, this is different. Walo times tatlo. And you have to say the answer in Tagalog.
8 times tatlo is 24.
Okay, good. Let's see another one. Walo times labing isa.
11. Ay,
Did
no, sorry.
I say it correctly?
78.
Is that okay?
Ay, 88.
Did I say correctly? Walo is 8, right?
80.
Walomput. Okay. Answer is always in Tagalog.
Okay?
Lima
Lima
times
times
siyam.
siyam.
5. Apat at... no. Walo ay... 4.
Yeah, what is 45 in Tagalog?
Yeah, what is 45 in Tagalog?
I don't know.
Apat na po?
Apat na po?
45.
Okay, good.
Okay, good.
I don't know talaga.
Okay,
I'm not really good at
Okay.
Filipino number.
let's try another one.
Let's try another one.
Anim times anim.
Anim times anim.
36.
Okay, number is easy.
Okay, this is easy.
Good.
Good.
Let's go for.
Let's go for.
This is also difficult for me.
This is also difficult for me.
For the number.
The number.
Siam times siam.
Siam times siam.
81. 81?
Walang put isa, yes.
Walang put isa, yes. 80.
3 times 8. 3. 3 times 8. Tatlo. 16. Tangik the answer. 24. 12. Labing dalawa. 12. 16. 18. 21. 24. Labing dalawa. 24.
Good. Dalawamput apat. Okay.
24.
Dalawamput apat. Okay, good. 8.
Yeah!
Good.
Tapos
8.
Pilipino pala. Huwag kang times plus na lang. Oo, plus na lang. Don't addition. Yes, use addition. Don't. It's kind of difficult.
No, this is easy. 8 times 9.
Oh my God! Kailangan mo calculator.
Yeah, you can use calculator. You can use, yeah, you can use.
81 minus 9 times 8. Ay, 81. 72. 72. Wow!
Pitamput dalawa. Good.
I'm so smart.
Okay, good. 5.
Wag niya ba?
5 times 12.
12 times 12. 5 times 12. 5 times 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 60. Anim na po.
Okay, good. Okay.
Can you sing?
No, I'm learning Tagalog.
Tagalog?
Yes, I'm learning. Today I'm learning numbers, okay? So, 5 times 7.
Jasmine. Latino. 35. 5 times 35. 35. 45. Tatlong digest. 35.